Hello students, in previous class we studied about the weather. Our next topic is season. What is season? A season is the period during which the weather remains almost the same for many days. जब weather जो होता है वो एक ही जैसा रहता है बहुत लंबे टाइम तक, that is known as season. So how can you define season? The season is a period during which the weather remains almost the same for many days. In India, we experience 5 different seasons like summer, winter, monsoon, spring and autumn. And we wear different kind of clothes in different seasons. So the season also affect our kinds of food also that we eat and the activities also that we do. So each season has its own features. First is summer season. During the summer season, it is very hot. And the weather is very hot and the people like to stay indoors most of the time. And in a summer season, days are very long and nights are very short. The main month of the summer season are April, May and June. Our next topic is monsoon season. The another name of monsoon is rainy season. So during the monsoon, it rains heavily and in some place heavy rains cause floods. Monsoon comes in the month of July and in a month of August in India. So if there is lot of rain is there, many diseases are also there like dengue and malaria that are common during the monsoon seasons. After the rain, the rainbow is also appearing in the sky, and in a rainbow there are 7 colors. That is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And the word Vibgyor is made of the first letter of these colors. Our next topic is autumn. Autumn seasons comes before winter, and in the autumn the weather start getting cold because this season is come before the winter. And during this season, the leaves of the trees they turn into the yellow color and they eventually start for the falling. Next is winter. In a winter season, the weather becomes very cold and people like to wear woolen clothes and they like to drink hot things and they use heater to keep themselves warm. During winter, there is snowfall also on the mountain area, and the main month that's come in a winter season that are November, December and January. Our next topic is spring season. In the spring season, it is comes after the winter season, and in this season the weather becomes very pleasant. Flowers are blooming on the trees and the weather is looking very lovely. So we can say the spring season is also known as the queen of the seasons. So if there is a question which month is known as the queen of the season, your answer will be spring season. Our next topic is how seasons affect us. We have discussed that there are 5 seasons like summer, winter, rainy, autumn and spring. So how these seasons affect us? ये जो seasons होते हैं हमको कैसे affect करते हैं? So we wear different type of clothes in different seasons. Like we wear warm clothes in winter and we wear light and cool clothes in summer. Because warm clothes keep us warm in winter and the light colored clothes keep us cool in a summer season. So we also get to eat seasonal fruit and vegetables like mangoes are mainly available in the summer season while apples that grow in a winter season. And in a hilly area there is a snowfall also in a winter season. But in a hilly area the roof of the houses are sloping. So when the snow is there it can slip off. Because why the snow is slip? Because जो हाउस जो होते हैं उनकी जो रूफ होती है वो स्लॉपिंग बनी हुई होती है, और जैसे ही स्नो के ऊपर गिरती है वो स्नो जो है वो नीचे गिर जाती है, बिकॉज रूफ जो होती है वो फ्लैट ना होके कैसी होती है, स्लॉपिंग। सीजन्स ऑल्सो अफेक्ट द टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप दैट ग्रोन इन एन एरिया। जिस एरिया में जो क्रॉप हम लगाते हैं उसको भी सीजन जो वो अफेक्ट करता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल पैडी, you can say rice, that rice fields are very common in area there is a heavy rainfall। जहाँ पे बहुत तेज़ बारिश होती है वहीं पे पैडी क्रॉप जो होती है वो ग्रो करती है। वाई इट इज़ बिकॉज जो राइस की जो क्रॉप होती है उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत होती है। सो द राइस नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर टू ग्रो, दैट्स वाई द राइस fields are very common in an area where is heavy rainfall. So student, your chapter is complete. I hope you understood this chapter. So student, read this chapter carefully and try to learn the keywords also. So the question answer you will be get in a PDF. So student, complete your work in a good and clean handwriting. Thank you.